How to redeem Marvel Rivals code. So it's actually really easy and simple, guys. So you basically want to go ahead and open your settings, right? There's many ways to do this. So let me show you. So you'll find the options menu on the main page of the game by pressing pause on your controller, or escape on your keyboard, or you can come here at the top right hand corner of your screen. You can click on the settings cog, the cog icon, right? And then you want to come here and simply just enter your code in the bundle code screen. Okay, so in the options menu, you should go ahead and select bundle code, and then just come here, enter the code here, and then just click on the use button, and you will be able to redeem your code. And it's literally that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.